Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. Today I'm going to be showing how to repair the critical process died error in Windows 10. So a critical process died error basically means exactly what it sounds like. It's when a critical component of Windows detects that data has been modified when it probably should not have been. This could be the result of a bad driver or an error in the memory or anything in that category. While there are a couple ways to fix this issue, I do want to start with what I believe to be one of the better solutions if possible, and that would be to run the SFC scanner. So I'm sure many of you have heard of this before. Basically what it does is that it helps repair system files if they are corrupted, and it'll help replace system files if they are damaged or corrupted. So in order to launch the SFC scanner, what we want to do is head over to our search, type in command prompt, right click on it, and then left click on run as administrator. When you get this user account control window, just select yes. Now what you want to type in is sfc/scan now, and then click on the enter key. We're going to let the system scan run for a few minutes, and once it is done, I will be right back. Hello everyone, I'm back. The scan did not detect any errors. However, I'm not experiencing this issue on this particular computer. I will make a follow-up video regarding other solutions. However, I did want to make this one video regarding this one tip. There are other methods that I want to explore, but hopefully the SFC scan now works for you in this video. Like I said before, I do plan on making some follow-up videos with more avenues to explore. So I hope this tutorial helped you guys out, and I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.